Till love do us part. For some reason, my life has been changed. Like it was nothing before. Like something you remember, but there was something you wanted, but didn't come. Now I know exactly what it feels like. Seeing your surroundings, realizing what is messing with me, I'm jealous. I'm jealous why I can't have my own. Why am I nothing but a toy? And why I started to think deeply. I started to overcome my anxiety until my body turns cold. A hollow void forms in my heart. Why am I so desperate to find the one I love? For some reason, I found love. Love I desperately needed. Love who cares my feelings that nobody in this world can afford. I've been searching for days, months, and years until I found the love of my life. You're more than anything to me. You're like an angel sent by God, a shooting star that jumped in the ground with a lightning strike in my heart. Love, if only you are here right now, I would like to give you my hands, asking you to dance until the morning will rise again. I will spend my night to you until the last bit of mine is taken by you, love. If only you were here, baby, I can't feel to lose. Baby, this day I smile. I smile in front of your lips, kissing you secretly and grabbing your body till you are satisfied, love. I always remember the first day I saw you. You're wearing dresses, color roses. Your perfume is like a floral. I sniff the scent of yours until I can't remove you in my brain. I am fallen. Love, I've missed you. I remember you said that you'd never leave me, but you are gone. I was so scared of falling into the darkness again. I was so scared that in my life I would never see you again. Every time we spend the night together, I was sending you mails even though you're on my side. I just wanted you to remember that in this day forward you would never be alone. I always look out at you, care for you. I just don't like you to be gone. But my thoughts are full of what if? What if? What if I didn't come to your life? Maybe you're alive. And what if I didn't come to your life? Maybe you can spend the night. And what if I come to you from above? Maybe we can spend the day for our eternal life. It's a measure compared to the days we spent together. I wish that I found you soon, but what awaits us is not taking you home. Instead, you're going to the place where you belong. Until next time, my dirty one.